Alright, so I have the front, well, this is the back side, set at 32.5. That's where it wants to be, that's where it fits good. So I'm going to tack it. Alright, so as you can see, I cut them off. That's what was putting a lot of stress on it, because it was actually too small. But it literally only moved like 1/4 of an inch, so then we're getting welded back on for support. It's all tacked. This thing is super sturdy now, heavy duty. I have to go around and finish weld all these. These I'm going to finish weld on. I don't know about them yet. I might cut them off. I'm going to leave this just like it is, because this is where the back tires are going to go on the inside. Right through here, I'm going to drill a hole straight through and weld a bolt here, and then put the nut on the inside to hold the rims and tires, just like I did on the cart. So these have to be finish welded. I'm going to finish weld this too. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet. These will probably get cut off. I'm still not sure. Keeping this too. I like the center brace, but it's all the same height now. So if I had flat ground, it'd be flat, but I don't. So letting the tacks cool. Then I'm gonna flip it up to where I can get all 4 sides easy. Yeah, so that's where we're at now. So this thing right now is 5 feet tall. It is awesome. This is the corner I'm going to start with right here. Weld it. I'll weld that other side back on of the X support, and I'm going to finish weld it too. I'm going to try to add as many nice little features as I can to this thing. Like maybe some bars somewhere to hold clamps, and maybe somewhere I could slide flat discs and stuff on. Basically, it's going to be an all-in-one cart. Can't touch it cart, you know what I'm saying? Which I freak out people in my garage touching my stuff. So. But got a lot of welding to do here. No point in messing around. Golden shower, not that way. Stop. Perv. There's one guy that's a perv, and I know it. He's like. Ah, you hear that? That's welding optimization right there. Everybody's like, frying bacon. No, no. You want sheets of paper tearing. That is when a weld is doing its job. Every weld, it gets harder and harder. Of course, my eyes are getting worse and worse at every weld, so I'm going to take a break, let that cool down. Give me some Arizona tea, and then I'm going to put my hood on and weld right. So. absolutely horrible. Alright, so I'm going to finish this up. Got enough B-roll there for everybody to watch, so let's get it done. Ladies and gentlemen, the frame is done. Got all the structures in, got it welded up. All the braces are in. Of course, it's standing on its end right now. I'm going to flip it on its bottom, which this is the bottom. That's the top. Got them supports welded in better. Next thing is going to be finding a top, which I am a scrapyard hunter. That's where I get everything. So I'm going to hunt the scrapyards for a 32 by 60 piece of 1/4 inch steel plate. If not thicker. If I can get it thicker and it's not like a huge amount of money, that's what I'll go with. So I have to flip this on its bottom. Actually, no, I'm going to leave it like this. Actually, I'm going to flip it on the top because we have the wheels and stuff we have to make spots for and weld on. And you'll see how that is. The front part is going to be hard. The back part's going to be butter. That's just, I'll bolt straight through. But somehow I have to figure out how to put this turning mechanism I put on here onto the front. And I also think I want to put the gas. And actually, now that I think about it, let me get a tape measure. Take my tape measures right here. I'd like to know how big this tank is, because I'm thinking the tank will fit on the bottom of the table. It will. Yeah. Awesome. So I'm not going to put the tank on the front. I'm going to put it on the bottom. I'm going to put it down here. It'll fit right through here. Let's see. Double check. Check, check, double check. Okay, so we are at... Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We're at 29. If I was to put a floor on it, it'd be at 29. And the tank is at... Let me see as soon as my tape measure wants to go. Tank's right at 29, or a little bit below 29, but easily to fit. This is what's hitting right here. That would hit my ghetto rigged argon or CO2. I have another one somewhere, but that will go on the welder then, on the cart. So I can actually put it just like this. It's set up right here on the cart. Makes it easy. I mean, this and this probably might be too high. Check it again here, see what it is. Bottom to top. No, it's 27. Let me see here. 27, so yeah. All I have to do is put it in the middle brace again, just like this one. And it'll be perfect. So all that'll go on there easy. It's great. It's working out even better than I planned. I didn't plan it this good, but now I am. I planned it like this. Not like that. It's like this. Okay. Okay, I left these things on down here. And what I'm thinking is to block off, I got a pipe like this outside. If I put a block off plate on it and leave that one on, which is the front, I can put my TIG welding rods in it. So that'll work awesome. Actually, I might put 2 of these on because I have stainless and regular. Well, I mean, they might fit. I mean, I got them in a piece of PVC right now. They're pretty tight, so. Alright, we'll worry about that when time comes. When the accessories come. For now, I'm done for tonight. It's a whole day on this. But it's good.